Namaskar, you're watching the Unfiltered Talk with Rashika, and today we are going to tear apart the recent delusion declaration made by Pakistan's Defense Minister Khwaja Asif, who claims that the Shimla Agreement is now a dead document. Well, Mr. Asif, the only thing is truly dead is Pakistan's relevance in global diplomacy. The Shimla Agreement, signed in 1972 after Pakistan's humiliating defeat in the Bangladesh War, was a bilateral pact between India and Pakistan. The Shimla Agreement, signed in 1972 after Pakistan's humiliating defeat in Bangladesh War, was a bilateral pact between India and Pakistan, and the core clause, all dispute, including Kashmir, shall be resolved bilaterally. No third party, no UN, no OIC. It was Pakistan that agreed to this, and now, after decades of violating through proxy terror, they suddenly want to rewrite the rules. Mr. Asif, you say we are back to 1948 when the UN called the LOC a ceasefire line. But here's the reality check. The 1948 UN resolution clearly asked Pakistan to first withdraw all its troops from the Pakistani occupied Kashmir. You never did it. So that resolution legally invalidated. Shimla wasn't a paper. It was a post-war diplomatic reinsurance for Pakistan. India gave you a chance, but instead of a peace, you export terrorists. You talk about agreement being dead right after Pakistan-sponsored terrorist masqueraded Indian tourists in Pahalgam. India responded not with words, but precise strike across the LOC. And Pakistan tried retaliation, failed, and ran for military level talks to save faces. Is that what strategic maturity looks like in Rawalpindi? Now let's talk about hypocrisy. When India revoked Article 317 in 2019 within its constitutional framework, Pakistan panicked and you internationalized Kashmir in every forum possible. UN, OIC, even backed China. And what did the world say? Sort out it bilaterally. That Shimla haunting you again and again. Now you are questioning India's water treaty too. Let's get one thing clear, Mr. Asif. India has respected this treaty for 60 years, even through the wars and terrorist attack. You still shout India will steal your water? Mr. Asif, without Indian restraint, your taps would dry and your crops would cry. So here's what really did Mr. Asif: Pakistan's credibility, Pakistan economy, Pakistan's diplomatic maturity, and Pakistan's ability to accept the reality. You have no global support, and if the Shimla Agreement is dead, as you claim, then India is free from the shackle of bilateralism too. Trust me, the world wouldn't support Pakistan's crocodile tear anymore. So, Khwaja Asif, if you are desperate to kill the Shimla Agreement, be ready. Because India doesn't back for talk. We believe in truth, tactical response. The choice is yours. You have been watching Unfiltered Talk with Rishika. We don't bend, we don't blink, we expose. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Subscribe and like. Dhanibad.